Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so you can see the band ride has ended. They spent the entire day below the upper band. They broke the prior day low. They pushed it back towards the round number, and you can see you've got this, this confluence of the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 20-day moving averages down there between basically 74 and 82. The ticket to them going and trying to take that out is to be able to convert the weekly pivot. The bears need weekly pivot resistance. They took it below the weekly pivot yesterday. They couldn't close it. They had hourly mid-band resistance. Hourly mid-band is kind of chopping it up today. You can see the bands tightening up for what is to be the next move. So I'm expecting a little bit of directional pricing today. You had a big move down yesterday morning, and then we pretty much chopped it up during the day as we battle over this very big inflection point, which is the weekly pivot. If the dip buyers can't defend the weekly pivot, then you get a move down to those moving averages I discussed a little bit earlier. If weekly pivot holds and you can take out yesterday's high, then you start to talk about a move back towards 24.71 and you kind of go from there. So the stakes are high. There's arguably another 50 handles on either side of this inflection point, which is why they're battling over it so fiercely. So that's really where we stand. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this video this morning. We open in about 15 minutes, so I want to get this out to everybody that needs to see it. Focus on the weekly pivot. Understand the band ride's over. If weekly pivot breaks, upper band, middle band, lower band. And what's next? Middle band. All right. Everybody have a great one. We'll get some stuff out on social. I'll talk to you then. And until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.